Hello everybody, it's your girl Lady Dayor and I'm back with another video. So today I am getting prepared for a photo shoot. So the photo shoot is going to be lingerie theme photo shoot. I'm about to show y'all some of the outfits that I have already picked out for real. This is like a Fenty lingerie set. I actually got this last year for my birthday. And then I have another outfit that's like tribal themed. I have like this scarf to go with it. This black strappy like one-piece suit. I usually wear it for when I'm doing my work outside of day-to-day work. I do my night work, so. But yeah, and then I have this maid outfit that was supposed to be a Halloween outfit, but I was in the hospital and when it was time to wear it, so I couldn't really wear it. But yeah, just showing y'all a little bit of what I'm doing for today on this beautiful Friday. So yeah, what I'm going to be doing today is a makeup tutorial for this photo shoot that I am going to be doing. I'm gonna just soon tune in, say hello to your girl and let me know if y'all like these makeup tutorials, if you want to see more. Of course the lighting is bogus right now, but I'm gonna get it and yeah, y'all gonna love it. So yeah, just stay tuned, okay? All right y'all, this lighting is so bright, I don't know how to turn it down because it's just one light. But y'all, I gotta get the hairs off my chin. There's so many of them. Alright, so starting with the waxing kit. I might have to go back in the shower anyway though, because I didn't shave. So that's not gonna work. Or maybe I'll wax everything. I don't know. I might just shave that shit. I don't know. I'm scared. I mean, unless I go to the waxing center like right now.
Blicky on the dresser, nah, I can't let up any other hater, cause critics, they debaters, critiquing how I'm living. I'm retarded like my pendant. It's a stick, let it hit. Now you talking perjury, come and hear that shit. My blick, Kiana, nah, on the dresser. They say I can't come, always overdressing. Go to up behind her, like confessor. Shooting on the setup. No, I just can't let up. Biggie, blicky.
Like it. Let's see. Because I'm 24, my lashes should need to be that big. If they don't touch your eyebrows, you ain't doing it right. Fuck. Alright. Now this is the finished look. I'll probably fix this lash a little bit because the corner needs to go down. But other than that, I'm not doing anything other than this anymore. I'm gonna do my lips though.